We have found our mismatches. Now let's see what we want to do after that. Say you would like to, well, raise a Jira ticket. Go to plugins. You can drag and drop them from here as well. Say raise Jira ticket, and let's just go ahead and raise Jira ticket right there. Again, just define what you would like to work with. Let's say report name is cost report. You can do this from QA, and that's a key aspect, by the way, here. Right now, I clicked on none on top. So if you want to reuse same test cases across environments, is as simple as this. Now, there's a key aspect here. The expectation is that, the same column names are present at least between source and table. So there's some synchrony that is expected when you run these test cases like this. But if you have, say, table names which are slightly different. So say in dev, you have dev.dim customer, and in production, you have production prod.dim customer. In that case, worry not. What we have to do there is work with parameterization. Again, this is something I'll cover towards the tail end of today's session. But the key aspect is you can parameterize your queries, and you can parameterize a good chunk of your rule sets as well. And it's all done so that you can define this test case just once and reuse it as many times as possible based on your systems. All right, what is the project? Well, we can say SF SQL val. Let's just call it that. And we got ticket title dim customer. Validation failed. Just things like this. And in parallel, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to cover another use case, which is, hey, say I want to save the mismatches in a particular location. So let's say save mismatches. Let's run this after data compare. And also let's run this only when data compare fails. That's something that you can do. So your tickets are going to be created only when something fails. So you have a lot of control over that. Data compare difference is what I'll select, and I'll save it as a file on S3. So now what this test case basically does, and save it also once, is that it's going to basically compare source and target tables. And after comparison is done, depending on your use case and configuration, it can raise tickets, it can save mismatches. And of course, every time you execute this particular test case, there's a report run history and report automatically generated, which you can customize to a great degree so that it shows you exactly what is going on between your system. Oh, might be deleted. Oh, my bad. This particular report was moved. Let me go back to that specifically. Oh, there you go. The widgets are right there. Yeah. So as you can see, the comparison has been done. This is a report which can be sent to other CI/CD tool sets and other systems as well. But this in a nutshell is a source to target comparison.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo. Scan the QR code below. Thank you.